Guys, the Bitcoin price development we have seen in the last 24 hours is actually amazing, but we are heading against the first bigger resistances, and I will tell you exactly what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price during the next couple of days, weeks, and also especially hours, because as you guys know, I'm still in around over $3.5 million worth of Bitcoin long positions. Only my trades on Femex and Binance are already in a profit of around $500,000, so all of my trades combined are slowly climbing back up to a 7-figure profit. But let's not talk too much, guys. Let's just jump right into the charts. I won't only show you in today's video what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price in the next few hours in the near future. No, guys, we will also talk about the Bitcoin dominance, and because of the Bitcoin dominance, guys, the Bitcoin dominance is, by the way, also doing what I have predicted in the last few weeks already. But guys, I will tell you exactly when we have to expect the next big altcoin season to start, and I will also tell you exactly at what price levels I will scale those trades back up again, and I will tell you at what price levels I will scale those trades down, and especially there's already one price level I will be guaranteed taking action on my trade. So guys, if you don't want to miss out on that, please stick around till the very end of this video. Make sure you like the video. Let's reach 3,000 likes again, like I reach on every single upload I do. Thank you very much, guys, for your amazing support. Also, greetings to all those people that I met in the airport today, especially one of the crew members of the Emirates flight. Greetings to you. I hope you see this video as you promised in the plane. But either way, guys, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the video. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for subscribing, activating the bell, and leaving a comment down below. But like I said, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. So first of all, guys, if I have some smaller language difficulties in today's video with my English, don't mind that. I just had 2 flights in the last 24 hours. I haven't slept a lot, but I'm still willing to update you here on YouTube immediately as soon as something interesting happens. So let's just jump right into it. As I told you yesterday, there is a chance that we are actually breaking out of this falling wedge to the upside. I told you guys that as soon as we break out of this falling wedge to the upside, which hadn't had the highest probability of happening, the bigger possibility or the higher probability was that we're breaking to the downside and retesting this support box before continuing to the upside. But who cares, guys? The better scenario happened. So actually now we expected this massive blow to the upside as soon as we break out of this falling wedge to the upside. This happened every single time so far in the past for Bitcoin. When we break a bearish chart pattern to the upside, that just the bears get completely wrecked. We just have a huge liquidation wick to the upside, and the bulls even managed to hold this liquidation price at the upside. So even though we just had a big short squeeze, guys, the longs and the bulls actually still opened new long positions, actually still bought Bitcoin to keep the price up here without having a massive wick or anything like that, which is a very bullish sign. And guys, I can already tell you on the bigger time frames, there is not really any resistance ahead of us. The only big resistance that we would have to look at this exact moment is actually the $60,000 level. The $60,000 level is pretty much the only level that is 100% going to be a big resistance area, because as we have seen, although this area over here, the $50,000 to $60,000 level, all of this area has massive trading volume from our last consolidation phase, and all of this is horizontal support and resistance, and Bitcoin is just now heading against the most trading volume that we had at those prices. So Bitcoin is really going against some strong resistance now for the next $5,000. The next $5,000 won't be easy to break for the Bitcoin bulls, but luckily we are already forming a small chart pattern on the smaller time frames, and this is actually a bull flag, guys. Yes, we are forming a bull flag on the 1 hourly time frame, and I have to say that the chances are not all too bad that we are breaking this bull flag to the upside, and our breakout target would actually be exactly the $60,000 level. So the level where the bears actually for the first time have very, very significant resistance. So this actually would fit quite well. We would see a breakout here out of this bull flag in the next 24 hours pretty much, and would see a pump up to $60,000. The only thing we just have to keep in mind is what price level are we breaking first. And even if we break this bull flag to the downside, I think that we could find support here inside of our falling wedge and still continue this run up to the upside, because then we would also retest our old high for this rally as support and confirm the breakout above our old high. So all of this would still be very bullish. So the only thing that we have to pretty much keep an eye on is the, let's be exact here, the $52,000 level. Guys, if we break the $52,000 level to the downside, in my opinion, it's going to be time to take some profits off the trades, to scale them down a little bit, because the chances are pretty high, if we break out of this falling wedge after seeing a massive fake out to the upside, that the bulls don't have any strength and we just see a pretty rapid correction down to the next very important support level that the bulls definitely are going to buy up. So if we come into those price levels, I will definitely open long positions. But either way, guys, this is not what is happening right now. So far, we are still in the bull flag, so everything is looking good. I think a breakout to the upside has a slightly higher potential than a breakout to the downside. But like I said, it's pretty easy, guys. We just, again, as always, every single video, I just tell you, just keep 2 price targets an eye on. If we break this one, we can scale up the trades. If we break this one, we take some profits, scale down the trades. I mean, so far, we are mostly breaking to the upside, which is very nice. Now I just managed to switch the charts here by accident, but whatever. So let's just keep an eye on the price level over here, the $45,800 level. We shouldn't close a 1 hourly candle below the $45,800 level. If this happens, the potential of us dropping down to the $52,000 level is pretty high, so people could even take some profits a little bit earlier as soon as we break out of this bull flag to the downside. And if we break our current high, so pretty much if we close a 1 hourly candle above the $55,500 level, probably, yeah, if we close a 1 hourly candle above the $55,607 level, I'm pretty sure that we will continue to pump fairly quickly up to the $60,000 level. So let's just keep an eye on our current high for this rally. If we break that with a 1 hourly, or in the best case with a 4 hourly candle close, we have to expect a pump to 60k. If we break the $54,700 level to the downside on the 1 hourly time frame, we have to expect a drop down to $52,000. And when we break the $52,000 level, which I think is highly unlikely, but still I just want to prepare you guys for every single opportunity, or for every single possible outcome. If we break the $52,000 level with the 4 hourly candle to the downside, I think it's time to close a majority of your long positions, to just wait till you have a new very nice entry here in this 47 to 48,000 range. Now let's also talk about the Bitcoin dominance. As you guys remember, I already told you that I'm expecting the Bitcoin dominance to go back up again, and that we had a risk of this happening, and we forming like a W pattern on the Bitcoin dominance, and we still have some way to go to the upside. So I'm not expecting that the altcoins are going to start pumping anytime soon. I think this could still take till the end of this month, actually, till we can expect the altcoins really to start picking up momentum again. So let's just keep an eye. If Bitcoin manages to break above here this 47% and 46% area on the weekly time frame, I'm pretty sure that we even would need to expect that the Bitcoin, that the altcoins start to correct massively while Bitcoin is going up, actually. But yeah, I think the chances are actually higher that we are just getting rejected here on the weekly time frame, and then the new altcoin season starts with somewhat of a descending triangle. I think a development on the Bitcoin dominance like this is more likely than us breaking to the upside and the Bitcoin dominance going above 60% or anything like that. This is only possible if we're heading in the next bear market, and so far Bitcoin is definitely, especially if we take a look on the bigger time frames, is definitely not looking to go into a bear market. We just broke out of this massive symmetrical triangle, of this massive 8-year support and resistance channel to the upside on the weekly time frame, and as long as we close this weekly candle above the $52,000 level, and the week ends in around 4 days, so today and then three more days on top. I think if we end this week above the $52,000 level, and it's not looking all too bad, we just have to expect that the Bitcoin price will reach a new all-time high during the next 2 months. But yeah, other than that, I have nothing left to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's smash 3,000 likes again. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, make sure to leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video, maybe later today if the Bitcoin price does something crazy, and otherwise tomorrow. Till then, bye.